Hello friends, welcome back to TechGetter Official. In today's video, we're going to fix the no internet access, or error code 0x800704cf issue in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected but still shows no internet, don't worry, follow these steps and your connection should be back in no time. The first method is Network Settings Fix. First, open the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Once it opens, select the connection you're using, Ethernet if you're wired or Wi-Fi if you're wireless. Right-click on it and select Properties. Now uncheck the option Client for Microsoft Networks. Click OK, then test your internet connection. If it works, great. If not, move to the next method. Another way to reset the network using commands. Go to the search bar again, type CMD, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Now run the network reset commands one by one. ipconfig /flushdns. nbtstat rr. netsh in IP reset. netsh winsock reset. These commands have already been added to the video description for easy copying. After running all the commands, restart your computer and check the connection again. The third method is to reinstall the network drivers. Go to Search again and type Device Manager. Open it. Once open, expand Network Adapters, right-click your network adapter, and select Uninstall Device. After uninstalling, go to the top menu, click Action, and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Now restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.